I need an egg. What?
Piper, throw up for me. Throw up. You can do it. You can do it. You can do. Yeah, that's right. Good job.
Yay, bro.
Dave, are you hungry? Say yeah!
Is everything okay, Georgie?
And the duck say, yo, check me out.
Oh!
I only drink alcohol on days that start with a T, so that's Tuesday, Thursday, today, tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday.
Ginger! Look at me!
Man, shut your...
You're really about to... You're pulling up a root.
Я должен разбудить тебя.
You're done. You're done.
Which way did he go, George? Which way did he go?
That way.
Well, gee, thanks a lot, George. Thanks a lot.
Are you new here?
Yeah.
Stop it. Do I need to remind you?
No.
What do you think, Wackus Bonkus? Kill him. Who? You naughty Wackus Bonkus.
You scared?
What did you just say?
Oh God.
Give her some space. I get that you I get you love her, but she needs space. Sounds
東方丈介、お前はこの二重らを奥安のザ・ハンドが消す。
Here's my kitchen. That's not quite yet finished. That's Charlie. She's a dick.
I love you. Now you set my soul on fire.
tried. Mija, baba.
That's suspicious.
Look at me.
That Meg does not give a crap.
If somebody say something I don't like, slap. If somebody look at me a way I don't like, slap. Somebody breathe too hard around me, slap, slap.
This is your new house. This is your home.
My bee pumpkin blueberry.
Oh my God, are you okay? Are you okay?
Everyone just has like a bowl of cats on their dining room table, right? Like, you all have one of these, right?
Want some Gil?
Oh my God. Out of all the positions you could choose to lay in, this is the one you've settled on? Okay.
No, sir, stop. 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 Oh my God!
Tickle, tickle! Tickle, tickle!
The floof is a trap, the floof is a trap. The floof is a trap, the floof is a trap. The floof is a trap, I'm gonna try to pet the floof. Is it a trap?
Hello, anybody home? Oh, hey. Hey, what's going on in there? Look at you. You got a whole stash. Oh! Boy, do that again, I dare you.
Bando, I just took a huge shit in there.
Can I see it? Why did you print this? Oh my God. Oh
Beat him up. Beat him up. Beat him up. Hey. Hey. No. Ew.
You better get your ass out this bed. You better get your ass out my room.
Oh my god, Chubby, no! No! Oh my god, no!
Good evening, sir. My name is Steve. I come from a rough area. I used to be addicted to crack, but now I'm off and trying to stay clean. That is why I'm selling magazine subscriptions.
No.
It's a good idea having them on the bed.
Why you mad, bro? I'm just trying to show you some love, dog.
When just a taste is not enough.
Hello? Hi.
What are we gonna get for dinner? Quesadilla?
Thank you so much. Oh. Oh my god.
Whore. Know what I'm saying? How you doing? Good working, fella. How's God blessing you?
I gotta put me first. I gotta put me first. I gotta put me first, Lucius.
And I promise you.
Bubba, oh my gosh, get on all fours and bark at the cat.
Deciding whether it's worth the trouble, whether you know you got a lot going on, you're busy, about lines maybe, and bringing your Barbie? Just how much.
Should I let her in?
What the fuck?
Grab him!
Okay, here's me stretching my cat. Come here, baby. Ready? Oh, yes. That was a good one. Oh, wow.
Give me one good reason I shouldn't end this man's shit right now. I was so close to being done and you had to turn my laptop off, you little pair of nuts.
Every time I'm in the kitchen, you in the kitchen.
Yay, good job. Need another one. Oh yeah, cartwheels. What can you do? Nothing? Okay. Millie. Millie. Oh my god. Miliana. Oh, Nana. Hi. What are you doing? No lights? Are you messing with my duvet cover? Sir? Excuse me? Can I help you with something? What are you doing? That's new.
We're taking the cats to the vet in the morning, and they gave me some calming pills to give them tonight and tomorrow morning. Hey, bud. You good?
SpongeBob, SpongeBob, Patrick, Patrick.
Massey? Did you do this? Did you do this? Massey, did you do this?
This is Bob. Bob loves his personal space. This is Larry. Larry also loves Bob's personal space.
Oh, Boo. Oh, Gina, Boo. Oh. Stop it.